Safety precautions during severe weather. What is severe weather? Severe weather is dangerous weather that has the potential to cause damage, disrupt our daily lives, and cause injury or even death. The first type of severe weather we are going to talk about are floods. The definition of a flood is to cover a place with water. Most floods are caused by heavy rains. When it rains so much that the water has nowhere else to go, it begins to cover the ground, and we call this flooding. What should you do during a flood? The safest thing to do during a flood is to stay on high ground. Next, we are going to talk about lightning storms. Lightning storms are a type of weather that has lightning, thunder, and sometimes rain or hail. Lightning is an electrical discharge that can occur between clouds or between clouds and the ground. During a lightning storm, we always want to stay indoors and low to the ground, and never stand under a tree. The next type of severe weather we are going to talk about are tornadoes. Tornadoes are rapidly spinning tubes of air that touch both the clouds and the ground. Wind speeds can reach up to 300 miles per hour, and they can be highly destructive. So what should we do during a tornado? The safest thing to do is stay indoors away from windows. If you can, go to a basement. If there's no basement available to you, stay in a room with no windows. Next, we will discuss thunderstorms. Thunderstorms are defined as a storm containing thunder, lightning, and often heavy rain and hail. In case of a thunderstorm, never stand under a tree and stay away from water. This includes pools, mud puddles, and bathtubs. Last but not least, we're going to talk about hurricanes. Hurricanes are violent storms that begin as thunderstorms and grow into tropical depressions or storms, and then when they make landfall, they become hurricanes. As they progress into hurricanes, wind speeds grow and the storm becomes more violent. This process is shown in the top picture. Hurricanes also have something called the eye of the storm. The eye is completely calm. During a hurricane, stay indoors away from windows. If possible, follow an evacuation route to a safe place away from the hurricane's path. So to conclude, severe weather is dangerous weather that can cause damage, disrupt our daily lives, and even cause injury or death. In review, in case of a flood, stay on high ground. During a lightning storm, stay indoors and never stand under a tree. In case of a tornado, stay indoors in a basement or windowless room. During a thunderstorm, stay indoors and away from water. And in case of a hurricane, stay indoors or evacuate the area.